Hey everybody, what's going on? It's the Broke Genius and welcome back to the video, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to part 2 of my huge open box / review sneaker collection. Alright, so for those of you who are seeing this and did not get a chance to watch part 1, I definitely suggest you go ahead and watch part 1 of this video. But to give you a quick recap, so these are sneakers that I bought last year. A couple was gifted to me. I did not get a chance for me to do any open box or review on any of these sneakers. So I've decided to do an open box review on everything right now. So I'm just gonna break them into a part. So this is part 2. Yes, part 2. So it was a total of 10 pair of sneakers. 2 was gifted to me. I've already did a review on the Sakai Cloud Orange Blaze. I did a review on the Alexander McQueen and also the Lightning 4s. So I did 3 reviews so far and it was 10, so I'm left with 7 pair of sneakers. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and randomly pick a box and we're going to open it and we're gonna do a review on it. It's the Broke Genius. Let's get to this video. Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back. Alright, so which one should be the next one? How about this one? There you go. Alright. Oh! So these are the Nike Patta that I caught on the sneaker app last year. I didn't get a chance to open them as well. This is real dope. Look at the box. Dope box, man. So you got the Nike that's written in aqua. And right here it says familiar, love for all. And then of course, Patta. So once you open the box, this is it. That's the box. And some paper. And these are the sneakers. And these are the Wave Noise Aquas. Alright, let's take them out. Alright, also come with a pair of laces. Kind of like a 10 earth tone pair of laces. So these are dope, man. Real cool. I'm happy to add them to the collection. There were a few other colorways, but I was fortunate I copped those on the sneaker app last year. Alright, so this is just a dope pair of sneakers. Look at them. Here's a 360. Real dope. Very nice. I love the colorway. I love the aqua colorway. Alright, so alright, let's break this down. So throughout the sneaker we have like a wave going throughout. If you can tell, it's like a wave up and down, up and down. Material, I'm not sure what material this is, but it feels very nice, very smooth. Feels like a new buck material. Check these out. Real dope. This mesh material on the top toe box right here, and then that same mesh material also going on the side panel right here, and then to the heel, to the back. And then you got the midsole. That's kind of like a tan earth tone color with the air bubble to the side. Check it out. And look at the outsole. You got this mocha right here, and then you kind of have like this brownish color. Then you got the aqua theme at the bottom sole right here. Then also we go back into the mocha color. Come with some extra pair of laces. I'm not mad at them, man. Really not mad at them. Very different for the Air Max ones. I've always been a fan of Air Max ones, so this is really different, but different in a very good way. The wave is very unique, and surprisingly the wave going throughout works well. You know, I'm not used to having Air Maxes looking like this, but they did such a phenomenal job. It just blends very well. Alright, so that was the Nike Pattas Aquas. Pleased and happy to add these to my collection. So I'm gonna do exactly what I've been doing. I will randomly pick a box. I'm gonna let my cameraman to go ahead and pick a box. So which one do you want me to pick?
Number 4.
4 going down or 4 going up?
4 going down.
1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Let's see what's in the box. The box is not open, so we are about to open it now.
Hold on. Alright.
Oh, I remember these. These are some mid I bought. These weren't from the sneaker app, so these were from the regular Nike app. I remember them. Alright, so these are a pair of mid college grays I copped on the Nike app last year. Nothing much. Unfortunately, I bought the wrong size. I'm still gonna do a review on them, but I'm not going to keep them, so I have to get rid of them. So hopefully I can cop the right size. Alright, so you got the regular black Nike box with the Jumpman in gold to the front. Alright, not much to it. Mids. I'm not a fan. My first Air Jordan 1s were mids. Surprisingly, about a couple years ago I bought my first pair of ones. Not high, they were mids, but I've upgraded since then. I've been copying nothing but high OG nails, but yeah. So this is the sneaker. It's a dope colorway though. When I saw it, I wanted it, and unfortunately, I was such in a rush, you know, for me to get them, and I bought the wrong size. All right, so you have this mid. You got the gray going throughout with some gray laces, and you got the toe box right here that's in white, and midsole also in white. Outsole is total gray, and you got the gray theme also going on the heel as well, with some trace of line of white, you know, that coordinate very well. It's a very cool colorway for a mid. I really had some plans on some items in my closet that I wanted to rock those with, but unfortunately that's not gonna happen right now because they are not my size. It would have been great to add them to the collection. So this is it. All right, so some mids, Jordan 1s. All right, Abigail. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick one.
I pick that one.
This one? This one?
That one.
This one? All right. All right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box. Red box. It's the red box. I don't remember which one of these. What are they? I don't remember. Box. Alright, so we're about to find out. Guys, I am giving 3 pair of sneakers away. Check it out. It is this dope Puma. I also have this in my collection. Not only I have 1, I have 2 of this in my collection. But I also got 3 pairs that I'm giving away. Size 10.5, size 10, and also size 11. All you got to do is follow the rules. Click the subscribe button, click that notification bell, and leave a comment and smash that like button, because I will randomly pick somebody from the comment once I hit 1,000 subscribers. And once you're done with the YouTube channel, you're going to go to my Instagram. You're going to do exactly the same. And thank you you very much in advance. You're gonna follow me, you're gonna like the post, and you're gonna leave a comment. And once again, thank you very much for participating. And you get a chance to win a pair of these sneakers for free. It's the Broke Genius. I'm giving free sneakers, free sneakers, free sneakers. You get a pair of sneakers, you get a pair of sneakers, you get a pair of sneakers. Everybody get a pair of sneakers. Why not? Oh man. You know how long ago I bought these? I bought these a while ago. These are some Dunks I bought a while ago. Wow. Alright, so we almost to the finish line. We at number 6. We have the Alexander McQueen right here. We have the mids, Jordan 1s, college grays. We have the Lightning 4s, the Nike Sakai, and the Nike Air Max Pattas. And these are some Dunks that I bought. And you got the Dunks. These are the high up iron purple female Dunks, came out last year. In person, they're alright. I'm not gonna lie. They just alright. They look so much better on the picture, but now I'm looking at them, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them. I don't know. I'm not a fan. Alright, but we're gonna do a review anyway. So we got the gray right here on in the front right here. Then the toolbox, it's kind of like a creamish off-white color. Then you got the gray laces. Alright, then you have the Nike swoosh purple to the side. Then you got the gray theme that's going throughout the sneakers. And then once you turn on the other side, you got the Nike swoosh as well on the side panel right here. Then you got a small swoosh that's embroidered on top of the leather Nike swoosh. Midsole is thick. You got the white midsole. They did a horrible job. You can still see the glue stain right here. And of course, outsole is in white, and you have the outline of the outsole that's in gray right here. They ugly in person to me. Take a look though. They look so much nicer on the picture when I was buying them. So much nicer. Brand new, never worn, just opened them. I'm not going to keep them, but thank you anyway, sneaker app. You know, a W is still a W, so I'm not going to complain. I'll just get rid of them. Alright, so that's gonna be it for now. I don't want to make this video too long, so we just did 3 reviews and we have about 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So we did a review and open box for the Nike Air Max 1 Pattas, also the mids college grays, and last we did a review open box on the Nike Dunk high up iron purple. So that's gonna be that for now. So we're gonna do part 3. We're gonna have a part 3 where we're gonna open the rest of the 4 sneakers. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button and that notification bell. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could go ahead and smash that like button. It's the Broke Genius, and I am signing